Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the whiteboard on the Zoom application. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, in order to go ahead and use the whiteboard, you need to make sure that you have the permissions to go ahead and use the whiteboard. If you're starting your own meeting, then of course you have the permissions to do anything. However, if you're joining someone else, just ask them if you're going to get the permission to use the whiteboard if you really need to. And now all you need to do is down here, there's going to be this whiteboard option right over here. Even if it's not there, you can simply go ahead and click on this more, and then you can simply go ahead and look for whiteboard up here, and then click on the whiteboard, click on new whiteboard right over here. And as you can see, it's going to share a screen of whiteboard for everyone who's watching right over here. So you can just go ahead and do anything you want. You can make a diagram right over here, right? Or you could do anything that you want. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I see you on the next one.